nga pong napakalaki ng pagpapala ng Panginoon sa church ng Parkway. Talagang punong-puno ng talent. And we know it's not just in music. Alam natin, someday, one of the youth will rise as a pastor, one of them will be a CE, one of them would lead the congregation the songs of praises. Nakapatuloy ang pagpapala ng Panginoon sa lugar na ito, na yung church na yun is not just that church, that big, but it would grow bigger not just in number, but more importantly, in quality. Ang Parkland po ay meron isang kinikilala na Mother Church. Alam niyo po ba yun? So sa hindi nakakaalam, isa sa trivia, the Mother Church of Parkland is the Ragatan Christian Church. Doon po sa Imos. So sa gabi nito, the Ragatan Christian Church also showed their support dito po sa activity, sa concert po ng Parkland Christian Church. Sa gabi nito, nakaka-witness po tayo ng something different. So tonight is not just about songs. Tonight will also be a night of dances. So palakpakan